Hi honeys, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Okay, welcome to Makeup Monday. I'm going to do the quickest makeup look ever. Y'all believe that? I'm just going to put on this finishing powder. I ain't put on no foundation. All up under these eyes. Lord have mercy. It looks really light right now, but it will be all right. I guarantee. All these eye sockets. My eye sockets are extremely dark. Okay, that's good. I'll put on some blush. I need blush. Whew. This side always looks really dark. Leave it alone. Need something on these lips. This is lip balm. And I always use a lip stain. Looking like folks, huh? Yeah, I go over the eyebrows, everything. Now I need some eyebrows. Brush them. I'm going to use the iMethod Beauty eyebrow stamp and eyebrow stencil. This is what the box looks like. I didn't know where it came from last week, but it came from the iMethod Beauty company, and I just hadn't opened the email. They sent me an email, asked me did I want it, but they went on to send it, and I didn't have any idea where it came from. So this is the eyebrow stamp. You unscrew it, and the color is in the top. So you can do like this and get the stuff on here. This is a sponge. It comes with a whole set of stencils. Okay, I like the High Art stencil. Let me do this one first, just because. I kind of angle it up with some. Look at that. Nice. Okay, I'm going to stamp this again. And this is in the color number 3, brown. It's perfect for me because I don't wear black. I think the black is too harsh for me. Since I've started getting silver hair, I have to make sure this stamp is lined up with the other one. Guess that'll do. Y'all see. You can rub it on here, or you can just pounce it on there. That's good. Close it back up. So this kit comes with a bunch of stencils, 2 little spoolies, this here, and 2 packs of stencils. Okay, what I need, some hair. Do I need to do anything? Nope. Okay. I need some eyeliner. Come y'all didn't say something. I ain't gonna use the stamp in. How these lashes doing? These are the lash clusters. I put them on I think last Monday. You know what? I ain't got on my eyeshadow. I'm gonna have to work around eyeshadow. I mean, when I put the shadow on, I don't want to mess up my liner. Yeah, this is an Eye Method Beauty liner. It has a stamp on one end. Comes in a set of 2. One for your right eye, one for your left eye. But I just use this one. I make my own wing. They're never the same. See, I gotta fix that. That's what it looks like. And that's what the stamp looks like. And it has one for the right eye. It's a wing. And one for the left eye. Okay, let me clean this up some. I'll just leave it. I'll use powder. You can fix anything. This same powder I put on my face. Okay, what I need. I got this taco palette out by Glam Life. So, the color I'm going to wear today. Got on a blue shirt. Do I want to wear green eyeshadow or I'm going to wear green eyeshadow just because y'all know I don't act like nobody else. I need to point it. Can't find it. It's usually in this cup. I got a beautiful makeup cup. I got a little fingernail polish on the end of it. Ain't that cute? I keep my brushes I use regularly in this cup. Okay, I'm gonna use this flat brush. I usually don't use that. Okay, I said I was gonna use green or purple. I don't know what I said. Okay. That's green. Trying to tap off the excess. Worked around this liner. Go up here some. Okay, I need a little smokiness on the ends. I want the darkest color in here. You know what? The darkest color in here is a purple. Alright, that works. Got on purple and green, y'all. Ain't no rules for makeup. Just don't do nothing to hurt yourself. brush it. I think it looks good. It's cute to me. Let me this is what I'm looking for. Brush to blend this all together. Okay. I want to attempt some mascara on top of these lash clusters. I don't do too much because I like to clean my lash clusters and use them again. Okay, wig. Face looks decent. Okay, I'm put on the wig that everybody seems to like. It's called the Quantum Love Pixie Cut Bob wig. Got it from Amazon and it was less than $40. I got two of them, one in this color and one in a 1B, I believe. Gotta see which way. Okay, it don't have no kind of part because ain't no lace in it. I made my own part. I separated the hair because I had to wet it and gel it and all that stuff, mousse it. Separate the hair, and this is actually a weft that I applied my finishing powder on top of this weft to make a part. So, you can fix anything, y'all. Okay. Tap this kitchen up under this wig. So my kitchen ain't showing. Some of y'all don't know what a kitchen is, but a lot of y'all do. Yeah, I got a kitchen. Beady beads. Okay, this hair is under. I don't want that one. Okay, get this. This hair is tucked under. I'm trying to get the hair out. The wig hair was tucked under. Get out. Like I say, ain't no lace in this wig. I made my own part. Okay, 13 minutes. It shouldn't have been that long. Okay, I'm officially as cute as I can get today. So, I'm about to put some decals on my nails. Did my own nails for the first time. Look at that. Proud of myself. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.